Hello, I'm Richard Webb, Senior Analyst with the Research and Media team at TM Forum. We're live in Copenhagen at DTW25, and it's my pleasure to have with me Mounir Ladki, the co-founder, president, and CTO with Mycom. So Mounir, firstly, welcome. Thank you for spending some time to talk with us today. So perhaps you can tell us, first of all, a little bit about how Mycom fits into the overall autonomous networks ecosystem and what role you're playing in supporting CSPs in their autonomous networks journey.
Sure. Hello, it's my pleasure to have this discussion in this great conference. Mycom has been, for the last 25 years, one of the leading providers of service assurance solutions in the context of multi-vendor, multi-technology networks. And over the last few years, we've really augmented our product suite to make it really an intelligence engine to provide autonomous networks. And how we do that? Well, we bring the assurance capabilities. So we bring all the data, the wealth of data that we collect. We add to it the subject domain expertise, automation capabilities, and AI. And with all of this, we're building the brain to drive autonomous networks. So we've been helping our customers really evolve from level 2 to level 3, and now we're moving along the journey to level 4 as well. And we're seeing them, achieving a great business benefits in this journey.
Very good. Well, perhaps we can dig into that a little bit and look at some of those success stories. Have you got any examples of operator customers that you've worked with that you've really helped achieve more through their AN implementations and upgrading and level up?
Oh, absolutely. We work with customers, we have many tier 1 customers around the world and in the different continents, different geographies, and across both mobile and fixed line networks. And most of our customers were in level 2 when we baselined, where they were in the autonomous network, maturity level. They were around between 2 to 2.5. And we've helped a number of them, including very big tier 1s, achieve level 3 to 3.5. And how we did that is that we've helped them for specific domains automate the whole journey from the automatic detection of problems in the network to auto-correlation, identifying the root cause, and going all the way to notification, and in some cases, even the remediation. And that, this whole thing achieved around 90% reduction in the mean time to correlate and mean time to detect, so quite considerable, and about 50% in the mean time to remediate. So when you put it all together from end to end, this gives you in excess of 70% reduction. But again, it's in single domains, of course, and it's a journey, right? But and this is why, in the benchmarking, we see them in the level 3 to 3.5, which is great. And as you see, massive business benefits achieved. And now we're working with them to take them beyond that to really to reach the level 4 and beyond.
Okay, well, let's talk about that objective of reaching level 4 and some really impressive results there. So congratulations to you on that progress. In order to get to level 4 and perhaps even level 5 in that AN journey, what do you think is really important to have in place in terms of AI and ensuring that the AI strategy aligns with the network strategy and the operational strategy and business strategy?
Yeah, absolutely. Right now, it's all about, exactly as you said it, to move from level 3 to level 4, and then we're going to talk about level 5. It's all about infusing AI into this automation journey, right? And helping the customers move to predictive type operation. And predictive type of operation means that you're always anticipating what's going to come. You're using machine learning to forecast. You're using machine learning to do anomaly detection. You're using machine learning to correlate. So you're moving from the rule-based automation really to automation that is based on AI, that anticipates what's going to happen, and at the same time, an automation based on AI that can always learn and adapt, right, and progress. So right now, we are in this journey where some of our customers right now have got forecasting, anomaly detection, and RCA, all using machine learning. Now, there is also to move beyond that, right? When you reach level 4 and you are using machine learning to do cross-domain, automation, you then start thinking about, okay, now what role generative AI can play, right? And we see right now the hype cycle around Gen AI and lots of expectations. But in reality, generative AI is good at certain things as we speak, but hasn't reached yet the level where it can replace and economically can efficiently replace machine learning, but it can augment it. So now, right now, we're seeing that Gen AI would be essential in level 5 and beyond, as it translates the business intent into network intent and then drive the automation. And this is that, we have a catalyst here at the show as well on how to use Gen AI for automating the 5G slicing, orchestration, and assurance. But at the moment, what we've done is we've launched a Gen AI offering with the first use case for Talk to Your Network, where we're helping our customers to interact with their data in natural language. And then we're going to augment this and add the other capabilities to Gen AI to use it really as an automatic remediation engine, and then as a business intent translation engine to move, to autonomous level 5.
Okay, really interesting. So finally, the foundation for all this is, of course, data. You can't really have these kind of aspirations with regards to Gen AI without getting that data strategy right. So what role does Mycom provide in enabling operators to move forward with confidence, knowing that they've got their data where they need it to be future-proofed for some of these AI ambitions?
We strongly, really firmly believe that it all starts and ends with data and high quality data. Without it, even the best AI in the world wouldn't achieve any meaningful results or strong outcomes. Now, also, there is maybe a misconception in the industry right now, and I'd like to stress that point, that throwing in massive amount of raw data and saying I'm going to put Gen AI on top and I'm going to find the needle in the haystack is not really efficient. Economically, it's not efficient, right? So what you want is to feed the Gen AI with high octane value data, with consistent high quality ones, and that can be achieved only if you have a data strategy in the company. So we've launched a platform called Cognitive Data Analytics Platform, where we bring in all the billions and billions of disparate data points that we collect. We put them in this platform, and where we use also a medallion type architecture. So we turn the raw data into what we call golden data sets that are correlated, filtered, curated, normalized, and only then you can use this data to then augment and train the LLMs for them to then produce outcomes, right? So this cognitive data analytics platform really is at the heart of our AI strategy, and we are going to use it to help the customers really deliver meaningful outcomes and business benefits from the automation that is driven by AI.
And it sounds like that's yielding real results.
Absolutely. I mean, we'll start seeing that with the customers, because of the first thing that you can see is how much accuracy either your machine learning or your generative AI is delivering. Right now, across our implementations, we're anywhere between 85 to 95% accuracy levels, a testament to this strategy that is based on high quality data.
Very good. Mounir, it's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much for coming along and sharing your insights. Great to meet you. Thank you.